Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something powerful to unbox, the Dongcheng Djg04 355S. This high-performance 2200W cutoff saw is built for precision, durability, and heavy-duty cutting. We're going to take a close look at what's inside the box, check out its features, and see why this tool is a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. So, let's dive right in and unbox the Dongcheng Djg04 355S. The Dongcheng Djg04 355S is a powerful and reliable cutting machine designed for professional and industrial use. Equipped with a 2200W high-power motor, it delivers a no-load speed of 3,800 RPM, ensuring efficient and precise cutting. Featuring a 5355x3x525.4 mm cutting wheel, the machine supports miter cutting angles from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, providing versatility for various cutting needs. It boasts a maximum cutting capacity of 5115 mm for pipes and 5115x130 mm for profiled bars, making it ideal for a wide range of materials. Built for durability, the Dongcheng Djg04 355S comes with an aluminum housing and a thickened, widened base design for enhanced stability. The reinforced gear system further increases reliability and longevity. Included accessories and packaging: wrench, carbon brush, color box packing. With its robust features and high-performance capabilities, the Dongcheng Djg04 355S is a top choice for precision cutting tasks. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.